My video will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called the Stage. The Stage extension is actually a browser hijacking extension for Google Chrome. This extension, the Stage, is spread through integration with many free applications, so in many cases users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. That's why it is also considered to be the potentially unwanted software. This extension changes the default search engine, and when you submit some search queries, you get the results by unwanted search engines, not chosen by you. To fix the issue and to remove this extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, Extensions, then disable the Stage extension and remove it. Now, the fact that this extension was installed without your permission could mean that your system is also possibly contaminated by some other hidden malware. We recommend you to additionally research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.